Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Condo games. To begin, open the Roblox application and use the search bar to find a condo experience. Once inside, you will use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard to move your character. The mouse allows you to look around and interact with various objects. It's a straightforward process to get started and explore the virtual space. Condo games on Roblox are primarily about social interaction and exploration. You can engage in conversations with other players using the chat feature, making new friends. Take your time to explore the various rooms and unique areas within the virtual condo. Some experiences even offer opportunities to host your own events or participate in community gatherings, adding another layer of fun to your gameplay. A key aspect of Roblox Condo games is customization. You can personalize your avatar with countless outfits and accessories to express your unique style. Many games also allow you to decorate your own virtual room, choosing from a wide selection of furniture and decorative items. Beyond decorating, look out for unique minigames or activities, and always keep an eye open for hidden secrets or special areas to explore. To ensure a fun and safe experience, always adhere to the Roblox community guidelines. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, use the in-game reporting tools to notify moderators. Remember to protect your personal information. Never share details like your real name or address. By following these simple tips, you can safely connect with friends, explore new virtual spaces, and have a truly enjoyable time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.